right at Worksworth for the big bus and train bash. That's right, it's the big bus and train bash down here at Worksworth. Come down and enjoy it because we've got lots for you to do. We've got vans, we've got James McDonald, we've got vintage buses, we've got trains, we've got fairground rides, we've got burgers, we've got hot dogs, we've even got beer. Yes, that's right, it's beer. It's called the Sixers and it's been specially made for us. We're on the radio, we've got all sorts. Come down, have fun.
We had a fantastic morning. We've been entertained by our singing bus driver James McDonald. We've got vintage buses traversing to and from Carsington Water. We've got train rides all day, free train rides for the kids, people having a go driving steam trains. We've seen a debut of our Sixers Ale, thanks to Amber Ales, and we're giving away lots of prizes with our Zigzag Girls. We're doing lots, having lots of fun. Hopefully, at the end we'll be raising lots of money for Help the Heroes, our charity year.
The day's going brilliantly. It's raining a bit, but nobody seems to bother. And from the railway's point of view, we'd just like to thank Trent Barton for all the hard work and effort that they've put into this event, and hopefully cement the relationship into the future. Come along on a Zigzag choo-choo. You can catch the Sixers from Derby or anywhere along from Belper or even Bakewell, and change to the train at Worksworth or Duffield and have a great day out.
You got to lose, you can't win all the time.
Lots and lots of people coming today despite the weather, and we've had our own singing bus driver, our X Factor champion as far as we're concerned, James McDonald, singing today, and it's great to see lots of families, lots of colleagues, lots of friends all here enjoying themselves despite the bad weather. It's absolutely superb again to be part of this. Proud every day to be a part of Trent Barton and what we do, and certainly when we work in partnership with people like this and raising cash for really good causes like this. It's superb.
My name's Paula. I've been closely liaising with Trent Barton over the big bus and train bash, and we'd just like to thank everybody for coming today, showing their support. It's been a fantastic day despite the weather, and you know, we from Help the Heroes really do appreciate where your money goes. At the moment it's mainly going into our recovery centres to help our wounded, injured and sick. And with these funds it will enable us to inspire, enable and support those with their families. Thank you very much.